Hello, this is a preview for my Geometry and Measurement digital interactive notebook. So there is a student version and an answer key version. And there is a cover that can be changed. You just need to right click and go to Apply Layout and then scroll down to the different cover options. This notebook covers perimeter and area, problems involving perimeter and area, volume, two-dimensional figures, and converting within the customary and metric systems. So the perimeter and area pages are short, just a review of what they learned in 3rd and 4th grade. Then for volume, it starts out with what a unit cube is, some models of volume, and the students build one of them themselves, and then the other one they're using to find how many cubic units are in this model. Then it goes into the different layers and how you can multiply the base times the number of layers. And then there's a page on formulas where students can actually drag the different parts of the formula to create first the formula for using the base times the height, and then length times width times height. And then the next slide is the volume of a cube, so the formula for the volume of a cube, and then finding the volume of this example cube. And then it ends with a word problem with volume and finding the volume of half of a fish tank. The next section is on 2D figures, so it starts with attributes of 2D figures, and then polygons, sorting polygons and non-polygons, and the different types of polygons, so naming them based on the number of sides. Then types of triangles and classifying by side lengths and by angles, and then classifying these 3 examples. Then there are 2 graphic organizers, and the students actually drag those pieces to go into the graphic organizer so they see it like this. Then going into quadrilaterals, the different types of quadrilaterals and how like the attributes that help us classify those, and some pictures. And then over on the right hand side they classify these 4 quadrilaterals. And then there are 3 different graphic organizers, and again they drag those pieces to put them in the correct spot in the graphic organizer. And then there's another final page on classifying polygons now that they've learned about the different triangles and quadrilaterals. The next section is on converting within the customary system. So there's a little bit about what the customary system is. There's a page with the reference materials that they get on the STAR test, a page on capacity, length, weight, a mnemonic device to remember whether to multiply or divide, and then to practice converting problems within the customary system. Then for the metric system, a little blurb on what the metric system is, a page on capacity and length, a page on mass, reminders or review of multiplying and dividing by 10, which of course they need to do when converting within the metric system, and then 2 example converting problems. Then there's the glossary and a section for self-assessment. So that is my Geometry and Measurement digital interactive notebook.